Wow, I am just totally impressed. I never received an envelope like this. I want to send out a huge thank you to Mr. Vance from Monster Magazine. You see, this past October, I was in it, along with Butch Patrick, and it's the #2 issue of October 2018. And as it says right here, Butch Patrick and Dr. Paul Bearer will be lurking for you inside. Look at this. They have cartoons, they have articles. Oh, who's that? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, there's the creature from the Black Lagoon. I'm telling you, look at the artwork of this. It's very impressive. All you gotta do is look up Monster Magazine on Facebook, Twitter, and any other social medias.
Issue 2, May 31st from Visual Comics, available at lulu.com.